This is gonna be interesting. Oh my God! Ah, it's right there!
Is there someone on top of me? Oh, why hello. You may be wondering, Gabe, what are you doing in this Saturn? There's no horn. This is the Hoonigan mobile. Basically, it's for guests to come in to their HQ and destroy it. So they were like, oh, Nigel, I can see your foot right here. Oh, wait, never mind.
What are you talking about?
I can see the entire roof caving in on top of my head. So they were like, hey, we have this car if you guys want to skate it. And we're naturally like, well, we definitely want to skate a car. We've always wanted to skate a car. We've actually been trying to find a car to skate for a long, long time. So this is the vehicle in which we will be skating today. We have ramps. We have a nice little pop-on session off a loading dock. And Dan has already fallen. Did you see that? I'm gonna get out of here. It's hot.
What do you mean the ground is spongy?
Wait, this thing actually drives? I've never stood on top of a car before. Dan, what if I go through? You know what I am fearing right now is my lack of safety goggles. So what are you gonna do, Nigel?
I don't know, I'm waxing a trunk.
Can't believe we're skating a car. I'm gonna supervise. I feel like Dan is gonna get really hurt during this video. Doing something, I just don't know what.
I'm starting to understand it. Oh!
I would try to kickflip this if my jaw wasn't broken.
Kickflip over it?
Oh my God!
Let me flatten it out for you. You should back 180 it, huh?
I want to skate it.
Seriously, Teddy, I've never seen you looking that sad.
So I don't.
I want to do it. I'm gonna do it.
No, you're not.
I'm gonna do it.
Nah.
Maybe.
You can do it, just do it. I'm not letting him skate. You ain't doing it.
Why? I already skated earlier.
Nigel finally learned how to kickflip.
Yeah. Should I have gone faster or
Yeah.
pop tire or what?
Faster.
I finally learned kickflips.
Like what? Like my foot is just slipping off after I pop.
I told you.
All right, I'll land it for you.
It's okay. That was the eyes.
The eyes!
That was the eyes. That you just had to land.
Nigel's out here running a full demo for Hoonigan right now.
Smack the antenna? All right.
I will slow-mo it for you.
All right. Brother. I'm gonna land in that hole. That's okay.
Oh! Or you could just ollie. Yeah, I mean.
I think I touched it.
Oh, you touched it.
Oh my God!
Yeah, I have an idea. Instead of hitting that.
That's wet.
Oh
That's,
God. All right, Gabe.
Uh-huh. Watch. See, I have good ideas every 5 years.
no, Gabe. I know you want to.
I really want to, Dan.
Well, the windows don't work. You just smash it out.
Yes! We would love to smash the window out.
I'll let you do that. They probably work.
Of course, the master of destruction gets
Take
permission.
Fetty to LA for a week and not let him break anything.
I'm gonna eat this.
Yay!
Almost made it to the other side.
I don't only break jaws, I break everything else.
So he's pulling a spark plug out because there's a theory. Have you ever tested it? I've done it in junkyards where the porcelain on a spark plug will instantly crack glass if you throw it at it.
So like what everyone does is you smash a window with like a hammer or something and it won't break. Then you chip off the porcelain and if you whale it at it, it should break the glass.
Fetty, make us look good, brother. It's gonna bounce at me.
It broke it.
I mean, Yeah.
There you go, brother. You got to break something. Now you don't have to skate.
This is gonna be interesting. This is a fun day so far.
Did you hear the story about this car? Some guy from Ireland flew into Chicago, looked at renting cars, realized it was super expensive, bought a car, drove it like to the Grand Canyon, did a bunch of things, and then brought it here and was like, I'll trade you the car for an Uber ride to LAX. And we just Ubered him to LAX, he left the car. And one of our employees drove it for like a year plus.
I'm gonna launch over a car. I'm launching over a car. Oh yeah,
That's light work, brother.
Yeah.
Launched up the Braille drop.
I did launch up the Braille drop. I forgot about that.
Yeah, I feel like that's harder.
It's probably the same distance.
Same
just
distance,
not as
roughly,
high.
just not even close to as high.
Not as much height though.
I gotta just pump hard. That was like a half a pump. I'm just testing the waters real quick.
That's a steep drop in.
It's a good drop in.
So you're gonna air.
No, that's way better.
Sand it. There you go.
I got it. I gotta find a way to go faster.
See? He swerves because his trucks are very loose.
Dang it! Oh, that one's good. Ah, it's right there! Ah, are you kidding me? I know what I'm doing
I
wrong.
don't think I've ever seen you sweat this much.
I don't sweat.
Pop it. You gotta do this.
I know.
End this video.
I know. It's just that little bit, like, it's like a 0.2 miles per hour more. Oh my God!
What's the
I need a
difference?
heavier board. I need a heavier board. I'm sorry. No one saw that.
I saw that.
The torque stallion,
That's
brother.
Oh, that's it.
You! Alright, you gonna land it now?
Yes.
Look at the gap.
So fast for that.
That was good.
Oh my God. Oh God. Why out here?
There you go, Dan. Yeah, Dan. That's it.
Dang.
Oh my God, that was it. Yeah, Dan. Yeah, Dan. Oh my. You!
It was ugly, but I forced it.
Yeah.
I was literally about to get my phone out to film this thing, and then he lands
The
it.
first try that Fetty sat in the car, he landed it.
He just needed me in the car.
That was incredible.
Well, Fetty, you absolutely killed it, brother.
I wasn't even in the video. Why do you want me in the outro? Okay.
I don't know, you're just standing here. I was like, you know, people probably miss seeing you skate.
Yeah, I miss
I do.
skating.
Well, Dan, very good job.
Thanks. Elon Musk might show up after seeing that rocket kickflip, but
That's true. We had takeoff.
okay.
Nigel, good stuff, brother. We just want to give a huge thanks to Hoonigan for letting us come to their HQ here in Long Beach and just letting us tear the place up pretty much. We destroyed cars. We hit the Twerk Stallion.
Sorry, Turk Stallion.
We built skateboards. We got some free monsters.
and we might, you know, do something to my car.
Get at it. But it's been a fantastic day of stuff like that. So did you know, Dan, that those divots in the asphalt are from that
Burning out.
burning out? Either way, once again, a huge thanks to Hoonigan for bringing us out here. We've had an absolute blast, and these guys they're amazing. Yeah, they're amazing. But there's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Check out Hoonigan's Instagram, their YouTube channel. All of that information will be in the description below.